A bit of a screw up today. So I went to install my new lid over here and won't fit. Just a combination of extra carpets on all the edges, and it is not going to go in there. Actually measured twice too. Not a big deal. The one that I made, I will just use up on the bow, and that will become a hatch up there. I can hide some batteries down there when I get a trolling motor, and just make it into part of the deck, casting deck. That's fine. The reason I did that, I didn't want to see these guys here. I didn't like how it looked. So it's not a big deal. All I have to do is go and get another little piece of plywood, 5/8, and let's make it a tiny bit smaller. I'll give her a few staples first, and with the carpet, just test fit it before I glue anything together. But these things happen, right?